Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, Casual Chef Bacon, Feta, and Veggie Frittata. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. All the egg goodies. Getting the bacon started. After the bacon's been cooked for a few minutes, I add the onions and the garlic. Then after a few minutes, I add the peppers. The eggs are all ready to go. And then I add the squashes. And here it is just before the eggs. The eggs are now in the frittata. And the frittata's in the hot box. Just out of the hot box. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.